Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life, and may your all desires and wishes comes true. So let's move to the video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful crochet hand patterns designs for homemade decor. Like you can decor your home with these beautiful ideas and patterns of that made with crochets, like baskets, some rugs, some curtains, some kind of things. You can put your accessories, and these are the cup pouches, like you can put your cup on it. So these little accessories and things and that can renovate your house, and you can decor the way you want it to be. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and do watch the complete video to get the latest updates, like the complete designs of the way I presented to you in this video. So yeah, thank you.